Is it time to buy or sell SPDR Gold Shares ETF? In this video, we will delve into SPDR Gold Shares. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 8th of April 2025, our system has identified SPDR Gold Shares as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.11. Now, let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. Those who adhere to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 11.94% since we initially categorized SPDR Gold Shares as a buy candidate just 12 days ago. This amounts to an average return of 1% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned within a robust and upward trend in the short term, with indications of further upward movement. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 16.43% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 6.78% to 28.11%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around 30.9%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 12.19% and 34.48% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $345.62 and $414.28. Our latest daily update for SPDR Gold Shares includes the headline, SPDR Gold Shares ETF upgraded to buy candidate. The SPDR Gold Shares ETF price gained 1.46% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 24th of April 2025, rising from $303.65 to $308.07. During this trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.24%, with a low of $304.71 and a high of $308.50. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 7.95% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 14 million shares, with a total of 11 million shares bought and sold for approximately $3.26 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume, despite rising prices, can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $317.63, while the lowest price was $210.71. Currently, the price stands at 3.01%, or $9.56, below the 52-week high of $317.63, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Today's news highlights significant developments in the gold market that could influence the GLD ETF's performance. As inflation expectations rise, largely driven by the current administration's tariff policies, there is an increasing push for investors to consider exchange-traded funds, such as GLD, to safeguard their portfolios. This trend could bolster demand for gold, which has historically been viewed as a hedge against inflation, potentially leading to upward pressure on GLD's price in the short term. Moreover, billionaire investor Thomas Kaplan's acquisition of a major gold deposit in Alaska underscores a strong bullish sentiment in the gold sector, particularly as gold prices approach record highs. This acquisition may attract further investment into gold-focused assets, reinforcing GLD's market position. Recent fluctuations in the gold market reveal a bounce back in prices, with gold trading above $3,340 an ounce after a brief downturn. This rebound signifies investor confidence, further supported by reports of robust demand spanning from Wall Street to Main Street. However, the volatility in broader equity markets also plays a critical role. As investors grow wary of equities, we may see more capital flow into gold and GLD, benefiting its performance. In summary, the interplay of rising inflation concerns, Substantial investments in gold and shifting investor sentiment creates a compelling case for GLD's potential short-term gains and long-term viability in an uncertain economic landscape. Analysts have assigned the SPDR Gold Shares ETF a general buy rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the ETF a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for SPDR Gold Shares. The SPDR Gold Shares exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the fund. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. During price corrections, support can be expected at levels $307.11 and $285.43. If there is a breakdown below either of these levels, sell signals will be triggered. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose, which creates a divergence between volume and price and may serve as an early warning. The exchange-traded fund should be observed closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, April 21, 2025, and so far it has declined by 2.38%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots signaled a sell position 4 days ago. Bollinger Bands issued a buy signal 4 days ago. Short-term moving average triggered a sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average gave a sell signal 14 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average issued a sell signal 80 days ago. For more insights and signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPDR Gold Shares. SPDR Gold Shares finds support from accumulated volume at $303.65. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with strong trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $3.79 between its high and low, or 1.24%. In the past week, the ETF has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.44%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SPDR Gold Shares, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. An exceptionally high PE ratio indicates that the ETF may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPDR Gold Shares. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPDR Gold Shares is at $311.11. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, SPDR Gold Shares encounters its first support level at $303.65. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $295.65, representing a decline of 4.03%. This exchange-traded fund experiences medium daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal resulting from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is SPDR Gold Shares exchange-traded fund a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for SPDR Gold Shares exchange-traded fund to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this exchange-traded fund since the last evaluation, moving from a hold or accumulate to a buy recommendation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 25th of April, we anticipate SPDR Gold Shares to open lower by 98 cents and start trading at $307.09. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.